Hey everyone, welcome to 15.1. What are psychological disorders? A psychological disorder, it's a syndrome characterized by clinical significant disturbance in an individual's cognition, emotion, regulation, or behavior that reflects a dysfunction in the psychological, biological, or developmental process underlying mental function. Mental disorders are usually associated with significant distress in social, occupational, or other activities. Some key terms is psychopathology is the scientific study of mental disorders. Etiology is the cause, the set of causes, or the manner of causation that causes the disease or the condition. Atypical is when something deviates from the norm, so something that's not typical. Cultural expectations, social norms, they vary from culture to culture, obviously. For us in America, we smile at people that are walking by. Not with our masks on right now, so we actually have to say hi. But normally we would smile at people. In Japan, they don't smile back. They're very guarded people, and so they don't smile. They don't smile at each other as a form of greeting like we do. Eye contact, that's a cultural norm here. However, in Latin America, Asia, or some African cultures, it's a sign of rudeness, like you're being confrontational with someone if you make eye contact. Hallucinations, here in America, you'll probably be asked to go and visit a mental health professional if you have hallucinations. In other cultures, though, it's a sign of positivity. It's you've been given a gift. So that is cultural expectations. Harmful dysfunction. This is a proposed definition of psychological disorder by Wakefield. It's like saying when a phobia takes over your life. The APA, the American Psychiatric Association, their definition is one, there are significant disturbances in thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Meaning, it's a phobia, like having a germ phobia. Howie Mandel has a germ phobia. It doesn't take over his life. He just makes sure that he doesn't touch other people, or nobody touches him. He doesn't shake hands. And it's actually written into his contracts that he does this. But he can still work and he can still function out in the world. Number 2, the disturbances reflect some kind of biological, psychological, or developmental dysfunction. An example of this would be schizophrenia, when you hear voices. Number 3, the disturbances lead to significant distress or disability in one's life. This would be when a phobia completely disrupts your life. The best example I can come up with is agoraphobia. It's when you are scared to sometimes leave your house. You are fearful of new situations. You are fearful of crowds. This definitely would take over your life and affect it negatively. Number 4, the disturbances do not reflect expected or culturally approved responses to certain events. It is expected that you cry at a funeral. It is unexpected if you sit and laugh at a funeral when, not at a time where somebody tells a joke. Like when people are mourning and somebody's sitting there laughing, that would be socially unacceptable. So that is psychological disorders, 15.1, and I will see y'all for 15.2. Thanks.